Hello friends, today we will discuss what may happen if Kim Jong-un dies. In such a case, who will be the next ruler of North Korea? We all know that North Korea has nukes in her arsenal, and in this perspective, the question will be if its nukes and missiles will be in safe hands. In previous days, reports were published in different media outlets across the world that Kim Jong-un is in a very grave situation after the surgery. It was reported that he had been struggling with cardiovascular disease since August 2019. If we believe the news, then we can say that excessive smoking, obesity, and overwork were the direct causes of Kim's urgent treatment. This may surprise to some people that North Korean leader also works a lot among other things. US President Donald Trump dismissed reports suggesting that Kim was seriously ill. He also said that we have a good relationship with North Korea. I have a good relationship with Kim Jong-un and I hope he is okay. However, he didn't say a word if he had any direct contact with him recently. Apparently, no one has seen him since April 11. The rumor that he is very sick and in a great danger is also fanned by the fact that 36 years old dictator missed the parade of his grandfather, the founder of the North Korea, on April 15. Honestly speaking, this does suggest that something is wrong with his health, otherwise he would have never missed such a parade. Since North Korea is a secretive regime and it is very hard that the truth will come out to the public, so the question remains who will succeed him if he dies now or in near future. For this we have to first see the pattern of transfer of power in North Korea. His grandfather, Kim Il-sung, founded the North Korea and then he stayed the supreme leader until he died in 1994. Upon his death, his son Kim Jong-il became the supreme leader of the country and remained in this position until he also died in 2011. After that, his son Kim Jong-un became the supreme leader of North Korea when he was merely 27 years old. So if we follow the same pattern, then it is very likely that his son will be the next supreme leader of the country. But here is a little problem, that his son is too young to be the leader of a nuclear country. Kim Jong-un married Ri Sol-ju in 2008 and the couple had their first child, a baby boy, in 2010. Then they had a baby girl in 2013, so the boy now is roughly 10 years old, too young to be the supreme leader. The couple is believed to have their third child in 2017. This may suggest that his wife, Ri Sol-ju, may be the next supreme leader of North Korea if Kim Jong-un dies suddenly or in the near future. But we are missing an important personality here. This is the sister of Kim Jong-un. Kim Yo-gong is the younger sister of North Korean leader. She was born in 1988 and it is believed that she runs the show behind the curtains. She is the member of the political bureau of the party and vice director of propaganda and agitation department of Workers' Party of Korea. In addition, she was elected the Supreme People's Assembly in 2019. She was also a part of the team of Kim Jong-un during the 2018 North Korea-United States-Singapore Summit and the 2019 North Korea-United States Hanoi Summit. Her involvement in diplomatic affairs continued as she issued an official statement in March 2020 from her capacity as First Deputy Department Director of the party. It is believed that she enjoys a good relationship with her brother and she is the driving force behind the development of her brother's cult of personality modeled after that of their grandfather Kim Il-sung. She encouraged her brother to present an image of a man of the people. Ri Sol-ju, the First Lady of North Korea, is certainly not as active as the sister of Kim Jong-un. Although her status is elevated to that of the respected First Lady, but there are no signs that she has any control over the political system of North Korea. But the sister of Kim Jong-un, on the contrary, knows the system very well and can be a natural replacement if Kim Jong-un dies soon. Let us know, how do you think if North Korea will be in better hands after Kim Jong-un, or there will be a little difference on policy matters? If you like the video, give a thumb up and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.